Hey guys, all right, a little tricep push-up tutorial because they are so much different than your regular normal push-up, even different than a wide push-up, even different than a diamond push-up. So your tricep push-up, your hands should go closer than normal. So this is normal, right? So when you bend down, you come to a 90-degree angle. When you do a tricep push-up, you want your hands to come closer. And then what you're going to notice is now I want my shoulders more in front of my hand so that when I drop down, my elbows go back. Okay, so your goal is not to be here because this is really challenging and you have no alignment. Shoulders forward, elbows stay alongside your body until they're right next to your body and drive up. Down, elbows are back, shoulders are forward, and up. Awesome. Try it out. You can do it on your knees as well. Thanks for watching.